Good morning, guys. So today is 12th of Feb. I think we are 12 days late, but we were not here. So last 10-12 days we were not in our home, and this was taken care by my maid, and she has taken good care. So that's the proof that my garden is still blooming. Let me go over the garden updates one by one. So that's my vermicompost pit. It's getting ready. You can see the color has changed. So I have my first set of vermicompost ready. Now, let me start with the best update. Ryan, can you get up? What are these, Ryan? See?
Strawberry.
These are strawberries, and if you see my strawberries, we got few in the fridge, which she has kept when we were not here. But see the results of my strawberries, the flowers, the fruits, and the fruits, and more fruits. So, and on the rooftop also we have, so I'll show you that as well. So that's my strawberries. My tomatoes, here these are the peas plant. Peas are also ready, and I have few in the garden as well. Rest are here. So I have peas still blooming. My capsicum is like this. So, and this is my rosemary new planted, so nothing much to say about that. That's the other pot. I'll leave that for this video. There's a parsley there. But I'll not go that side. I'll leave it for this video. My Christmas tree, not in the best shape, but surviving. It will thrive later. This is the French bean. I will have fruits soon. The other, we have fruits coming up, but they will come in number. Next is my zucchini, and my zucchini is flowering like anything. And I also have got fruits, so let me capture the fruits for you guys. So this was the big addition this year. I tried with zucchini and it's working. You can see the zucchini fruit here. Zucchini is not very common in India, especially with middle class people. Yeah, so it look like cucumber and a hybrid between cucumber and pumpkin. Not sure about the taste. We'll tell you when we try this. That's the zucchini. The wheat grass are here. We didn't try it. And another zucchini plant. This cabbage and cauliflower needs transfer. I'll do that. Another zucchini plant here. These are garlic planted by Ryan. They're also good. All my corianders are doing good here. Full of corianders and basils. Lettuce. Another zucchini plant there. My papaya tree, let me show it first. This is good. They are big and they're in number. If you can see at the top, they are in number. Okay, this is the broad bean leaf we took all when we went with us to Kolkata. Another brinjal tree here. It will fruit soon. Okay, so no fruits here. My bitter gourd plant is good. I'm not sure if it has fruits or not, because even I am checking after 2 weeks. There was the fruit here. The fruit is here. So that is. These are all plants which you can see are sunflower plant. These are the remainings of what my birds are eating on the top. We throw them and they grow up. Okay, so most of them are that. These are kasuri methi and methi, combination of them. So we will dry all the kasuri methi and keep it for the year. They would be good enough to be used at least for 6 to 8 months. This is my Delhi soya. Last time this plant was very small, but see the growth. See just the growth, the height and the growth. They are very good for heart-related diseases. So we are going to eat them, dry them and keep them as herbs. Those red veins leaves are beetroot. I think we are sure we are getting some beetroots as well. This is the cauliflower. Now we were not there, so what happened? It overgrew, so we should have taken it off maybe 4 or 5 days back. But no issues, still edible, not the best shape. These are all spinach. They are fruiting now. Actually, we were used to harvest them twice a week. We didn't do it for 2 weeks, so that they're fruiting. We will cut them up and they will start using it. So that's my bear ka ped. Should fruit soon. Okay. This side. Now these are my broccoli. I have a full house of broccolis. These are my chili the long type capsicum type chilies here, and they are getting red. So red pepper ready to harvest. A lot of peppers here, and both the chili type and the big pepper type. There's a Delhi soya there, you can see it. My rose, you can see the color. Day after tomorrow is Valentine's Day, and I think we are gearing up for that. I have good amount of flowers here, so that will be it. And all the other cauliflower, they are doing good. Cauliflowers and broccolis and cauliflowers, and my red cabbage, if you can see the color. Just see the color, my god, itself it speaks how well they've been taken care of. See all those broccoli and yeah, cauliflowers and the tomatoes. So I have both cherry tomato like this. These are the cherry tomatoes, and they are also in numbers, all the cherry tomatoes, and the normal tomatoes. They are big and they are full. If you can see, let me be very careful. I have a lot of, see the size, see the tomatoes, my god. Can you go side by? See it, see to believe. And they are full inside, they are full everywhere, they are full. See all the tomatoes and tomatoes and tomatoes. So these are the tomatoes, the rows. My mandarin orange, if I can capture it, that's the mandarin orange. Quite few in number. The plant is in good shape. Okay. The other plant I added was last week was this one, the raspberry, the mulberry plant. The fruits are here, and this I've not planted it. It came on its own and it's fruiting. Okay. Those are the broad beans on the thin rope. Climbing up, no result as such. There should be. Maybe what happened? अभी तोड़ेंगे, रुको. We will harvest it. Wait. So ये हो गया यहाँ से. Actually, they are broad beans at the bottom. I'll go that side later. अभी मैं आऊँगा तो तोड़ना. And wait. I'm coming that side. Okay. These are all brinjals I have planted, and my brinjals I'll show when I'm showing brinjal. The brinjals are here. 1, 2, and the big one is there. 3. So brinjal and some more here. The cauliflower. Let me, when I came this side, I'll show my radish, some other sag, amaranth, cauliflower, and my carrots are also gearing up for harvest. Those are the new breed of cauliflower I planted. Maybe we can harvest it by end of March. That's it here, my guava tree and the mulberry tree. Okay, the peas time. So see the peas, full of peas, and there are many more to be shown. They are good. They have gone under. Actually, I'm not cutting the spinach, so they are taking over. I will cut it tomorrow. So more peas and peas and peas. So peas. This area is full of peas. Okay, so peas are covered. My lemon tree much better than what it used to be a month back. It will grow up fast. I'm expecting fruiting by April maybe. Okay, all these are spinach, nothing much to sow. They are full. We'll harvest it soon so that they leave the space. And see the tomatoes. You wanted to see tomatoes, no? I will show you tomatoes. The best results. See the size. See the size and the results. My god, the plant can't hardly stand with the size of tomatoes it's having. Okay, the broad beans not been harvested. They have ripened up. Not sure we are going to use them or not. Cucumber, the plants were not taken care. I think nothing. So they are infected now. I need to either work on them or plant new plants. Some more here. See, oh, it has got ripened as well. So nothing to be used. A waste. Okay, so that is here. When I came this side, I will just show the tomatoes again from this angle. All the tomatoes from this angle. There were more cucumbers here and no tomatoes, full of tomatoes, some chili here. Okay, now at the rooftop. So the rooftop, the highlight is my cherry tomatoes. They are in number, full of cherry tomatoes. This is my mint. The peppermint has now come up from hibernation. One more tomato, but still to fruit. The strawberries, as I said, another set of strawberries here, and more coming up. And see here, they're coming in numbers. I will show you like this. See? And one more, it's yet to fruit, it will fruit soon. Okay, so that would be, there's a sunflower. A sunflower is coming here. And this petunia is flowering, so I have red petunia. And there's a broccoli and two broccolis, a brinjal, a brinjal plant. I need to do a bit of pest control here. Okay. So broadly this one, my birds, all of them are doing good. The quails are having a feast on the cabbages. We will eat the cauliflower, and they're eating the leaves. The cocktail, Australian diamond dove, burgess, Australian diamond dove, Java finch, another Java finch. That's my darling. No, that's not my darling. My darling is this one coming from me. See. Jack, come here. Jack, come to Papa. Come, quick. Come to Papa. Quick. Come here. Jump and go. Hey, so my darling is here. She's my darling. Some more. They are feeding arrangement. One is taking a dirt bath. This was the nest of diamond dove, but they could not have a baby. So maybe they will try again. That's just a zebra finch. They are the wild variety, albino zebra finch. That is it. I'm done for this month's video. Today is 12th February, and we'll catch up again next month. We'll see more results in terms of zucchini and other plants. Some more babies. I have burgess babies I could not sow. I will show Alex and one burgess baby that I have, and with that I'll close the video. Okay, so they are my Mr. and Mrs. Rosie Cheek, all hand tamed at home. So they come out, they fly with us. There are two here, and my babies. That's Alex, the parrot, and that's the baby from the top, Burgee baby. I have 3 number. I'm taking care of one. Let the parents take care of other 2. So they will be joining the party soon. See how he's coming and reaching me. He's totally tamed with me. So that is it. Thanks guys for this 6 months video. We'll catch up next month. Bye bye.